So next example 1.12. So in our question is convert 76 centimeter of mercury pressure into Newton meter minus 2 using the method of dimension. So here the pressure in CGS system is given and you have to convert it into SI system. Newton meter minus 2 is the unit of pressure in SI system. So we are going to convert one system of unit into other system. So now the pressure in CGS, the pressure in CGS system is equal to 76 centimeter of mercury pressure. Mercury pressure. So the pressure formula is H rho G. So H is mean height. So here height is 76. And then rho is nothing but mercury density. So the mercury density value is 13.6. Then G is nothing but acceleration due to this gravity. So the value in CGS system is 980. So the unit of pressure in CGS time centimeter minus 2. This is pressure in CGS system of mercury. Okay. What is our aim? To find out pressure in SI system. Isn't it? That only I will find out. Using this formula, N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. This is equation number 1. So here N1 N2 are numerical value. Okay, U1 U2 are the unit of physical quantity. Okay, so here N1 is I will taken in pressure in CGS, and then N2 I will take pressure in SI system. Then U1 U2 we are going to write in terms of dimension. So here U1 dimension is M power A, L power B, T power C. So here the system is 1, so I will put 1. Next U2 dimension. So U2 dimension is M power A, L power B, T power C. So here the system is 2, so I will put 2, 2, 2. Okay, now the N1, N2, U1, U2, these values are applied in equation number 1. So here N1 is pressure in CGS into U1 is dimension M1 power A, L1 power B, then T1 power C equal to N2 is pressure in SI system, pressure in SI system, then U2 is the dimension M2 power A, then L2 power B, then T2 power C. So I want to calculate a pressure in SI system. So this equation become like this. So here pressure in SI system is equal to pressure in CGS system dimension M1 power A, L1 power B, then T1 power C, then divided by M dimension, the square bracket M2 power A, then L2 power B, then T2 power C. So this equation I will write in our convenient only. So here pressure in SI system is equal to pressure in CGS system, then M1 divided by M2 power A, then L1 divided by L2 power B, then T1 divided by T2 power C. So this is equation number 2. So here the pressure dimension is m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. This is pressure dimension. Now you are equating this both powers. Okay, so here mass power is A, here mass power is 1, here L power is B, here L power is minus 1, here the T power is C, here the T power is minus 2. Okay, these values are substituted in this equation 2. So the equation become pressure in SI system is equal to pressure in CGS system, then m1 divided by m2 power, A value is 1, then L1 divided by L2 power, B value is minus 1, then T1 divided by T2 power is the C value is minus 2. Okay, this is equation number 3. Then in CGS system, the mass length time. So here mass length time. So here mass measured in terms of gram, the length measured in terms of centimeter, the time in terms of second. So here in SI system, so this is SI system. Okay, so here m2 length time. So here the mass measured in terms of kg, the length measured in terms of meter, the time measured in terms of second. So these values are substituted in this equation 3. So this equation become like this. So pressure in SI system is equal to pressure in CGS system square bracket. So m1 value is G. So here G divided by, so m2 is kg. So kg. So power is 1. Next one is L1 is centimeter, L2 is meter, then power is minus 1. Then next T1 is S, T2 also S. So here the power is minus 2. Okay, so here cannot be simplified easily because here different unit is there. So either I can convert into gram or I can convert it into kg. Now I am going to convert it into kg. So here pressure in CGS. So here 1 gram equal to how many kilogram? 10 power minus 3 kilogram per kg. So here power is 1. Next here centi value is 10 power minus 2 meter per meter, the power is minus 1. Next second by second minus 2. So here kg cancel, meter cancel, second are cancel. So pressure in CGS 10 power minus 3 power 1. So 10 power minus 2 minus 1, then here 1 power minus 2. So here pressure in CGS 10 power minus 3 into 1, the value is 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 2 into minus 1, 10 power plus 2, isn't it? Next 1 into minus 2, you can get the value is 1. So no need to write here. So here we will substitute this pressure in CGS system. Already find out the pressure in CGS system. The pressure in CGS system what? This is the pressure in CGS system. The value, okay, the numerical value. The value is 76 So 76 into 13.6 into 980 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power plus 2. So here these numerical value multiplied, if you will get the result as 10.12928 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 2. So now these number write in terms of exponentials. So here 1.01. Now I take round it off 2 digit after the decimal point. And how many power is there? The power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 10 power 6. So into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 2. So here 1.01 into, so here 6 minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 3 plus 2 5. So 10 power 5. So this is 1.01 into 10 power 5 Newton meter minus 2. So this is the pressure in SI system. Thank you. Next one is example 1.14. So in our question is, check the correctness of the equation half mb squared equal to mgh using dimensional analysis method. So what is given here? The equation given. So the equation is half mv squared equal to mgh. Okay, what is find out? Dimensional. So first you have to find out the dimensional formula for this equation. So first here m is nothing but mass dimension is capital M. So v is nothing but velocity dimension is L t power minus 1. So here squared having, so that's why I am putting square. Okay, this is also put the square bracket. Then equal to mass dimension is capital M. Then G, acceleration due to the gravity. So acceleration due to the gravity dimension is L t power minus 2. Then H is nothing but height. So height indicated only length. So the dimension of H is L. H is L. Okay, so here the mass is M. You have to multiply L squared. Then minus 1 into 2 t power minus 2. That's all. Okay, so here M having the square bracket, here 2L are having, so L into L squared. Okay, then here t power minus 2. So in both sides the dimension of these equations are same, hence the equation is dimensionally correct.